These seniors can't go to the bank and get a loan. Because 10, 15 years ago, when this mortgage debacle went on, a rule came out and said, wait a minute, banks, you can't lend any money to anyone, no matter how much equity they have, unless they have debt-to-income ratios. Well, seniors on stated income, they don't qualify. Another plus for the 55 and over, which used to be 60 and over, 62 and over. So right there, income isn't an issue, which is mostly an issue when you get the mortgage on it. Number two, if I take out a reverse mortgage, the lender will own my home. But that's what everyone thinks. It's a mortgage. It's a first mortgage, you get a note in the deed, and a regular reverse mortgage, you get a note in the deed. Nothing's different. This is going to be the quickest meeting because this program is so simple, I can't stress you more than that. There are restrictions how a reverse mortgage policy can be used. You can do anything with that money. I don't want you to go to Vegas, but there's no restrictions. You can go do anything. A smarter person will look at value, get a hold of Jeff, and go, I got this bundle of money here I can use. I don't need to use it, but I can. What would you suggest? You would analyze everything and say you might want to do this, that, but you might want to let it sit there. The only line of credit in the world that if you don't use, you get a percent, about 2-3% growth on that every year, forever. Not even using it. Mind blowing. Can low-income seniors qualify for heck of reverse mortgages or not? Yes, they can again. Low income you qualify for it. The only qualifications are not income, are age and equity. The only people I ever have turned down on a reverse mortgage are the people that haven't owned their home that long, didn't put much down, there's not enough equity. Other than that, everyone else seems qualified. Number 5, if we outlive our reverse mortgage life expenses, will the lender evict us? Absolutely not. In fact, I was thinking the other day, what if someone came to you and said, you know what, you got homeowners insurance, you got health insurance, what if I give you this policy for your home? You buy this insurance, you will never ever be evicted. You will never have to make a payment. Oh, that doesn't exist. That's the reverse mortgage. You never have to leave your home. Well, thanks. Will a heck of reverse mortgage will affect our government benefits? It may affect your Medicaid. I'm not sure. When you ask that question, the benefits you get, will it affect my Medicaid? And I had a client about 5 years ago. I said, just when you need the cash, just pull it out. We pulled out $100,000 and put it in his bank. You cannot have assets on Medicaid. Your house, you can have it. You can have equity in your house. Once you pull it up, you've got assets in the bank. And I'm sure they won't qualify for Medicaid. So to answer your question, you keep the line of credit in or you get it funded immediately and your Medicaid benefits still go on. Are reverse mortgage advisors biased in just saying, trying to sell the heck of products? No. I'll tell you what that's all about. You get a hold of someone and do it. So another thing to protect the seniors, once I speak with someone and they go talk to their friend and say, and I go back and reassure them, then I give it to the government. And the government asks the same question. You understand this product. You do not have to make a payment. If you've got an outstanding loan there, the interest on the loan will go on top of your principal. You never have to make a payment. You see, really? And you're going to take my home? No. So they reinforce the fact, and I like the way they do it. Government reinforces seniors. Then after that, it's pretty much downhill. There's 2. Look at that. I'm computerized now. I did. Will our children or grandchildren be left to repay our reverse mortgage? No. This property is yours. If you die, and I'm sure you have a trust, it goes to your trust, the trust divvies out whatever is theirs. On the reverse mortgage, though, if the kids who ever get it, they've got 6 months to repay the loan or sell the property. If they don't do a 6 section, they grant another section. I've had people go 2 years without having to do anything. But the fact is that it goes to the kids. If the kids are 55 and older, they can put another reverse on and continue with it. But the reverse is all about occupying the property. The seniors is for the senior benefits you got occupied. So the home, it doesn't have to be left in pay. If the kids want nothing to do about it, they say, we don't want anything about it. If the loan is $100,000 more than what the property value is, just give it back. There's no recourse. It's a non-recourse loan. You can't lose. Do reverse mortgage lenders take advantage? You've already done that. I think there's one more. Can I get a reverse mortgage on my home if I have an existing mortgage already? Yes, you can. We do a lot of them. A lot of seniors get in retirement. man, you know, this 3 or 4 grand a month used to be easy. And I thought I calculated correctly, but it's all net dollars now. And my 401ks and pensions, geez, I'm not getting anything out of this. So what they do, they say, you know, they call me and say, financial guys call me and say, Bob, can we just eliminate that mortgage payment? And I get rid of that 3 or 4 grand a month. Boom, it goes to reverse mortgage, and I have to repay it. And usually with that, they get enough equity, I keep a line of credit, so the finance guy can reorganize their assets and liabilities. So anyway, as I said, I'm gonna keep this with the KISS attitude. It's the easiest damn program. People make too much of it. If you're 55 and older, you don't have to have the right income to qualify. We use your home as collateral, like you would on a full mortgage. That's about it. Simplicity.